When running electrical wiring through conduit, it's crucial to select the proper schedule of pipe to ensure safety and code compliance. According to both the National Electrical Code, referred to as NEC, and the Canadian Electrical Code, known as CEC, specific schedules of polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, pipe are designated for electrical applications. Schedule AT PVC is suitable for both buried and exposed applications. This heavier-walled pipe offers increased physical protection for conductors, particularly in environments where the conduit may be subject to physical damage. Schedule 40 PVC, on the other hand, is intended for exposed applications only and is not suitable for direct burial. Now, regarding the difference between white and light grey PVC pipe, the key distinction lies in the presence or absence of ultraviolet, abbreviated UV, inhibitors. White PVC pipe typically does not contain UV inhibitors. Consequently, it's not suitable for outdoor use as prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause it to become brittle and degrade over time. Light grey PVC pipe incorporates UV inhibitors, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. These inhibitors protect the pipe from the harmful effects of sunlight, extending its lifespan and maintaining its structural integrity. It is important to understand the role of ASTM, or American Society for Testing and Materials, ratings. ASTM ratings specify the physical properties of a material. For PVC pipe used in electrical wiring, the relevant ASTM rating is ASTM D1785. This standard covers PVC plastic pipe and tubing. Now let's discuss code compliance in more detail. White Schedule 40 PVC pipe is generally not considered suitable for electrical wiring applications, as it typically doesn't meet the NEC or CEC requirements for either Schedule 80 or Schedule 40 PVC when used for electrical purposes. However, light grey Schedule 40 PVC pipe, bearing the ASTM D1785 rating, is generally acceptable for exposed electrical wiring applications, provided it meets the other relevant code requirements. In summary, when selecting PVC pipe for electrical wiring, always consider the application, whether it's buried or exposed, and the environmental conditions, particularly exposure to sunlight. Using the correct schedule and type of PVC pipe ensures compliance with electrical codes and promotes safety and reliability in electrical installations.